Hi, my name is Gabriel Nahod. I'm from Warwick, Rhode Island, and here at UMass I'm currently studying biochemistry and molecular biology as well as computer engineering, and I'm hoping to get 2 degrees out of it. There's this really cool emerging field called bioelectronics, and as the name sort of implies, it's the combination of biological principles as well as electronics and circuits and building computers. So what I'm mostly interested in is that interfacing between them. And so a big example that is most common, you might see advertisements from a company called Dexcom, and they develop diabetes supplies, such as insulin delivery systems. They're pods, you put them on your arm and they're full of insulin, and they will manage your diabetes for you. That's a biosensor, and that's a bioelectronic. It's interfacing directly with the biological system, your blood, and it's fully a digital computer. It connects with Bluetooth to this app on your phone, and all of this. And so I'm just really fascinated by the interplay between them. And I felt that in just going for biochemistry or just going for computer engineering, that I wouldn't get the depth of understanding and the depth of knowledge that I would have wanted to pursue this if I just went for one, minored in the other one. The first thing that I saw was the life science labs. And I saw that and I went, oh, this is awesome. I love, I went in there for the first time and it really moved me. Because I was on a tour at UMass and we were able to wander a little bit afterwards. So I just went in, I walked around. I was a little shy, so I didn't go too far, but that was really the first sort of exposure I had. I started looking into it more, and I saw that the College of Natural Sciences really encompasses quite a lot. You can be part of CNS and you can be interested in psychology, or you can be interested in strictly chemistry, or if you're really into evolutionary biology. It's just I really liked the wide breadth of classes that the CNS offered. So I have always pictured myself in a lab. That has always been what I've sort of dreamed of when I was really young and I was first introduced to the scientific method. I saw these the caricatures scientists with the blackboards, and they were writing theorems on the on the board. And so really after UMass, I'm really hoping to get into academic research. I'm involved in shadowing Jun Yao's lab, and so I'm hoping to sort of continue that as I graduate from UMass, because I would really like to develop machines that can specifically read signals that the body sort of produces, like neurons. That's actually what Jun Yao's working on right now. A lot of stuff's going on in the lab, but that's what I'm specifically sort of following, is a neural probe. So it takes the signals from neurons and it sort of converts it into electrical signals that can then be converted into machine code. So you can read the signals that the neurons are producing, in a very broad sense. A lot of the research sort of goes a little bit over my head because it's graduate level research. I'm really interested in academic research and research in general. I want to find new things.